Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Here we are looking for a Max Olympiad problem. The problem is real numbers A, B, C, D are given. Solve the system x square minus yz minus zu minus yu is equal to A, y square minus zu minus ux minus xz equal to B, z square minus ux minus xy minus yu equal to c, u square minus xy minus yz minus zx equal to d. So you have to find the value of x, y, z and u in terms of a, b, c, d. So as we are going to solve this problem, some logic is there in this problem. Pause the video and try it. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. Okay, ma, how to solve this problem? How to solve this? How to solve? Get the solution of this. So here, first of all, you have to take let p is equal to x plus y plus z plus u, and q is equal to xy plus xz plus xu plus yz plus yu plus zu. So we are assuming that p and q are some values in terms of x plus y plus z and u. So then equation 1, this is equation 1, this is second one, this is third one, and this is fourth one. Equation 1 will become x square minus q minus xy minus xz minus xu. So already yz, zu and yu are there. The remaining three terms will get this is equal to a. Now x square minus q plus x into, so this is p minus x is equal to a. So here you are taking x common, you will get y plus z plus u. Y plus z plus u is p minus x from the first one, this value. So x square minus q plus px minus x square is equal to a. So x square get cancel. Px minus q is equal to a. From this you can write px is equal to a plus q. X is equal to a plus q by p. X is equal to a plus q by p. Now in the same way, similarly you can write py minus q is equal to b, pz minus q is equal to c, pu minus q is equal to d. Now x will be a plus q by p. a plus q by p. Y will be b plus q by p. Z is equal to c plus q by p. And u is equal to d plus q by p. So these are the four values are there. Now replace this in p. Replace this in p. Okay, this is the p given x plus y plus z plus u. So here you'll get a plus b plus c plus d plus 4q by p. Now if you cross multiply, p square is equal to 4q plus a plus b plus c plus d. Okay. Now if you replace in q, if you replace in q, you have to multiply these values. So here direct I am writing AB plus BC plus AD plus BC plus BD plus CD plus 3Q into A plus B plus C plus D plus 6Q square total by P square will get. If you multiply the values, you will get this value. Now, if you cross multiply, P square Q is equal to AB plus BC plus AD plus BC plus BD plus CD plus 3Q into A plus B plus C plus D plus 6Q square. Now here substitute the value of P square in this 4Q plus A plus B plus C plus D into Q is equal to the same value get AB plus BC plus AD plus BC plus BD plus CD 3Q of A plus B plus C plus D plus 6Q square. Now if you multiply here, here you'll get 4Q square A plus B plus C plus D into Q is equal to AB plus BC plus CD AD plus BC plus BD plus CD plus 3Q into A plus B plus C plus D plus 6Q square. So if you subtract these two, you will get 2Q square, sending all the terms to that side. All the terms here sending that side. Here 3Q, here Q is there, plus 2Q of A plus B plus C plus D plus AB plus BC plus CD AD plus BC plus BD plus CD equal to 0. Here we are getting a quadratic in Q. We are getting a quadratic in Q. Now here we want to find the value of Q. Okay, now you have to find the value of q. So by using the formula, q is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So just I will substitute the value and I will complete. So here q value is minus 2 of a plus b plus c plus d plus or minus root of a plus b plus c plus d whole square minus 4 into a into ab plus bc plus ad plus bc plus bd plus cd by 2a, 2 into 2. So here you can take 2 common, minus of a plus b plus c plus d. Here you will get 2, 2 whole square you will get. So here also you can take 2 common, square root of a plus b plus c plus d whole square. Here also you can take 2 common, that you can take it as minus 2 into AB plus BC plus AD plus BC plus BD plus CD by 2 into 2. This 2 will get cancelled here. Now Q is equal to, by solving this you will get minus A of A plus B plus C plus D plus or minus root of a square plus b square plus c square plus d square by 2. So here if you do whole square, the terms will cancel. So that is the q value. Now if you want x value is a plus q by p. So this is in terms of ABCD. In terms of ABCD, so a plus q by p value we are having root of 4q plus a plus b plus c plus d. If you take y in terms of ABCD, is asking y is equal to b plus q by root of 4q plus a plus b plus c plus d. Similarly, z is equal to c plus q by root of 4q plus a plus b plus c plus d, and u is equal to d plus q by root of 4q plus a plus b plus c plus d. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.